Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. I'm going to show you how to reset all the settings in your iPhone 14 Pro Max. So to this operation, go to settings, then go to the general, then scroll down, and there is an option transfer or reset iPhone. Click on it, and there is an option reset. Click on it, and from this you can reset all settings. Click on it, write your passcode if you have some, and reset all the settings. Yes, I'm sure, reset all the settings. That's it. Now your phone gonna be resetting all the settings from now, and we have this waiting after the process will complete. It will take a little time. Yep, it's been wake up after the reset. And it's ready to turn on by the loading bar. And it's wake up. So scroll here. And as you see, all the settings from the phone is already reset. So that's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave a like, leave a comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!